Yes. Now for me, that vindicates me too. Because there's a lot of people that says, yeah, I know blauwligte. He's got blue lights. Not knowing that I had to take a step down with my protection I used to have, the cars. My point I'm trying to make is that he vindicated that we have a voice inside there. Because this has been one of our strongest points. And for him to listen, it just speaks about the type of leader that he is. All in all, I can tell you, he delivered his best Sona speech. I've listened to all the Sona speeches. And today, I can tell you this was his best one.
Minister, are you drinking the GNU Kool-Aid?
I'm making that Kool-Aid of the GNU. Because I'm a member of the GNU. We are moving. I was telling somebody asked me now, you're saying we are going forward. I said yes. He says, just call me, name me 4 things. And I can name you 4 things to show you and me factual things, not wishes. Number 1, the rent. The rent is doing very well. Number 2, we had 10.5 million tourists last year coming to our country. Number 3, you look at the inflation. You've got record level, low levels of inflation. Number 4, if you look at, there's no more load shedding. I mean, you can just see that. And I think one of the biggest things that people don't understand that the president has done, that was really brave.